Hey everybody, we got a quick video for you. What you guys will notice right out of the gate is this video has very little to do with autism. Now why is that? My hope is people will see this, especially people who are new to autism, and see a family with 3 boys diagnosed on the spectrum, mid to high, that are going out and doing normal activities, having fun. I would say about 80 to 90% of the things we do in day-to-day life have nothing to do with autism. And a lot of times people will reduce everything to a label, such as autism. And I think sometimes that's a self-fulfilling prophecy. People do that to themselves. And we're trying to break out of that and just be involved in as many things as we can, be within reason. We still have difficulty at public restaurants, for example. But yeah, my hope is that people will see this and be inspired to go out and do things and realize you can still have a lot of fun and do a lot of interesting things, see a lot of interesting places. Having said that, let us know what you think in Facebook. Again, if you're new to this channel, YouTube disabled our comments a long time ago. So let us know what you think of these types of videos. We also did one a while back about a water park where the kids were playing in the pool, things like that. This one has to do with a remote control car. I convinced my wife to get a remote control car for the kids. But yeah, we just went out and had some fun with it. We wanted to get outdoors because we've been stuck inside a lot for obvious reasons. It's 2020. We hope you guys enjoy the montage, the video.
Oh, sorry, I don't know. I'm not an expert.
I know, you're totally new to this, but you're doing great, Connor.
Wow! May I try?
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, go ahead. You're going around Alistair.